Today we received a request from a fan to help refurbish the last classic large displacement fuel car of his life, a Mercedes-Benz S600. They say back in the day, this car could buy several houses. Unbelievable, huh? Now you can get one for just 50,000 yuan. Let's go check it out. Look, he even brought tons of local specialties. Leafer, who he looks like he just walked off a construction site. The fan said he's tired of all the supercars and luxury cars. Not a fan of new energy vehicles either, so he chose this classic retro S600. Plans to drive it for the rest of his life. Whoa, this engine bay is outrageous. Look at all this muck, and it's seriously leaking oil. Feels like a major trap, but no worries. Brother Bo will restore it to factory condition. Only 100,000 kilometers on it. Less than 10,000 kilometers per year on average. Now let's see if it'll start. Oh, of course it won't. Okay, let's push it into the workshop for a full inspection. Nope, still won't start. Alright, let's push. Only one option, push it back. Push harder. Ha. Man, it's heavy. This car is filthy. Let's give it a proper wash first. To you. Foam it up so it cleans better. Looks much better after the wash, right? Now let's move on to cleaning the engine. The engine bay is covered in oil grime. We need a special cleaning agent for this. Clean it again for good measure. Time to start dismantling the engine. The ECU mat is completely ruined. ECU screws are missing too. Oil everywhere inside the engine. Break it down and clean it thoroughly. Never music. Since the V12 engine is too heavy, we'll separate the gearbox first. Whoever designed this V12 is a genius. Look how dense and complicated it is. Just looking at it gives you a headache. At first glance, it's scratched. And there's oil everywhere. Now we'll fully disassemble and inspect. Carefully check it. Highway. On the highway. So nasty. All gunked up inside. Who cares though? I'll bear the pain and disappointment. I'm still willing to put in the effort. Engine disassembly complete. Now we'll send them for ultrasonic cleaning. Not daring to move forward yet. Look as good as new now, right? Alright, let's start reassembly. Must tighten the bolts according to factory torque specs. No one could look at. Install ignition coils. A woman I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman. For how? Mark it to prevent leaks. New versus old bolts. Old ones are stretched and can't meet strength requirements, so they have to be replaced. Don't make me. My soul. Not wanting to forget the neglect. If you want it, you can have more. Look at that factory Mercedes-Benz engine oil, golden and beautiful. Factory power steering fluid too. And factory antifreeze all arranged. And even the slope grease. It started successfully, fired right up.